The most important thing we kept in mind when developing the new Civic was the safety of everyone. Not just the occupants of the car, but other road users too, such as pedestrians and cyclists. Honda has a high-tech crash test facility in Tochigi, Japan. There, we were able to crash the new Civic into vehicles of different weights and sizes, and at different angles and speeds. We wanted to make sure that what we are offering is the best real-world safety for our customers.
One of the key ways of achieving this is with the ACE, the Advanced Compatibility Engineered Body, which is a way of absorbing energy that can protect the occupants of the car and also the occupants of other vehicles that crash into it.
ACE body structure is a front-mounted polygonal frame that is designed to prevent the cabin becoming deformed by distributing forces away from the passenger compartment. This is particularly important where a crash occurs between vehicles of different heights and weights. Just as important as technology that protects you in a crash is technology that helps you avoid an accident in the first place, or helps reduce the force of an impact should the worst happen. I am very excited, as this is the first time that the CMBS, Collision Mitigation Braking System, has been introduced on the Civic in Europe.
CMBS works by monitoring the distance between you and the vehicle in front. Once that distance reaches a critical level, the car will offer you an audible and a visual warning. If you choose to take no further action, then the seatbelt will tighten. And again, if that distance reaches a critical level or there's no interaction with the driver, the seatbelt will then pre-tension and the car will apply its brakes. Hopefully prevent the accident or at least reduce the severity of that accident. If every car in Europe was fitted with this technology, we're confident we could see 250,000 less accidents each year. I'm very proud that Honda's got a leading reputation in pedestrian safety. It's an area that we've worked very hard to achieve. There are many features in the new Civic that protect pedestrians, such as windscreen wiper pivots that can collapse, energy absorbing structures in the wing edges, in the bonnet hinges, and also on the front bumper face. As a pedestrian as well as a car driver is something that's very important to me. This has been a very challenging but rewarding project to be involved with. Obviously the designers get all the glory when the car's finally released. However, I'm happy that the systems that I've developed may never be used, but it's great that they're there if they're ever needed.
Our target is a 5-star Euro NCAP crash test rating. In 2012, they are introducing more stringent tests, but our internal studies show we are capable of meeting their requirements. We have designed the Civic with the goal of building one of the safest cars in its class.